Good evening, my name is Kapal Moldir and today I will present the results of my industrial practice. So the topic of my project is ENT clinic appointment and visit tracking system. I completed my internship at the ENT Medical Center, which calls iMedicus, which is located in Astana, Kazakhstan. I worked in IT department as a backend developer intern, and I had two supervisors. My workplace supervisor was Sirbayeva Ayjan, she's the director of this clinic, and my external supervisor is Tambayeva Gulnara, she is a technical lead. And the department is responsible for developing and maintaining internal digital systems that is used in the clinic. The main objectives of the internship were to apply theoretical knowledge in the practice, to develop a backend system, and to better understand the real-world IT workflows. And I also aim to improve my software development skills. Regarding tasks, during the internship, I performed several key tasks. I analyzed the clinic workflow, designed the system architecture, created a database structure, developed REST API endpoints, and also implemented business logic. In the end, I tested the system. And there are some technologies that I used in my project. You can see the list of them. So the first one, I used Python as the main programming language because it's widely used in backend development and it's easy language for me and my favorite one. The next one is Fast API, which was chosen because it provides high performance automatic validation and built-in API documentation. The third one, SQLA Shami, was used as an ORM to simplify database operations and represent tables as Python classes. SQLite was used for local development, but the system design can be extended for PostgreSQL. The next one, Pydantic, which ensures data validation, and as I said, I test the system, and when I run the server, I use UVcorn, so in order to run the server. Now let's look at the project overview. The main result of my internship is a backend system for managing appointments and patient visits. So the system is designed to support clinic workflows by organizing patient data and tracking interactions between patients and doctors. It allows registrating patients, creating appointments, recording visits, and generating analytics. The system was implemented as a REST API, which makes it flexible and easy to integrate with other applications. Now let's look at the system architecture and the database. The system follows a layered architecture which separates responsibilities. First, the API layer handles incoming requests. The business logic layer processes operations, such as creating appointments or updating status. The next one is a data layer, which defines database models and database stores all persistence data. And this structure improves scalability, readability, and maintainability. Now we can see the hierarchy of database. The database consists of four main entities. There are patients, doctors, appointments, and visit records. So appointments and visit records, they are linked to both patients and doctors using foreign keys, which allows tracking interactions between them and ensure data consistency. And the relational structure reflects real-world clinic processes. This example shows how appointment status is updated. So the API receives an appointment ID and a new status. The system processes this request in the business logic layer and updates the record in the database. This demonstrates how the backend handles real operations and enforces workflow logic. And I added also the code snip, the part of the code for API. Now let's look at the features. You can see the picture of server, how it looks, and the system includes several important features. This includes updating appointment status, tracking patients' visit history, generating analytic data. So all these features make the system closer to real-world usage. Of course, there were some challenges, and the main challenge was designing a database structure that reflects real relationship between entities. Another challenge was organizing the code into layers, which required understanding the system architecture. I also worked on extending the system beyond the simple CRUD operations by adding analytics and visit tracking. So these challenges helped me better understand backend development. And during the internship, I improved my technical skills in backend development, and I gained experience with real-world tools. I learned how to design systems based on the requirements, not just write the code. I also improved my ability to structure projects and think about scalability and usability. This experience was very valuable for my professional growth. In conclusion, I would like to say that I developed a functional backend system that supports appointment and visit management. I applied my theoretical knowledge in the practice and gained real-world development experience. And there are also some things that I would like to do in the future in order to develop my project. So I think that the system can be extended with user interface, maybe adding authentication and deployment in the cloud environment. And that's all. Thank you for your attention. And I also added the GitHub Repository link, so you can go to it and see my project.